Air conditioning 2023 Toyota RAV-4 YF refrigerant. Brand new condenser replaced. We just filled it up and I just started it. Here's minute one. You could see right where the AC turned on. This is an electric compressor. So we're in a hybrid. There's your big orange line telling you that this is a hybrid vehicle. And there is your electric room compressor way down there. And so you've seen the startup mark. We're going into minute 5 right now. And there's a brief second where the compressor turned off and you can see where the low side raised and the high side went down, but then the compressor turned back on again. And our pressures are stabilizing. Are we in pressures? Yes, pressures, not temperatures. Our pressures are stabilizing out at 31 PSI. Let's see if I can focus. 31 PSI on the low side. 69 PSI on the high side. This is normal. The fan is constant. You can hear the fan on right now. It's a constant roar. Let's go take a look at our temperatures. So we're down to 36 degrees coming out of the dash. There you go. If our Apple would like to focus here. Come on, Apple. Focus. There you go. 36 degrees coming out of the dash. And our outside ambient temperature is 57 degrees. That right there, 57 degrees. That's taken right here, the temperature being pulled in across our condenser by this thermistor. This takes temperature, humidity. Our transducer for the high side, transducer for the low side. There's our suction and our liquid line temperatures for refrigerant to come up with our superheat and subcooling. And let's get back there. We're superheat, 1.5 degrees superheat, 21 degrees subcooling, and of course we have our temperature. We're taking it from the sensor right there, stuck inside the dash. And that's it for this 2023 Toyota RAV-4 with YF refrigerant. And don't forget, because it was a OEM DENSO factory condenser, it came with the new O-rings. And it came with the new plastic clip down in there. And because it was an OEM condenser, it came with brand new Dielectric manufactured DENSO compressor oil. And you don't get that when you buy an aftermarket condenser. Why don't you guys go look up this part number and go tell me how much this cost. Let's see if I could get you the part number on that. There's the part number. See that part number? Go call up Toyota and find out how much this is, and you'll see why the aftermarket condensers don't give you that. See you guys.